Walt Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on the stand 2011, the world premiere of Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides was held at Disneyland. The film stars and celebrity guests walked the black carpet along the length of Main Street, U.S.A. A 6-story tall, 90-foot wide screen was built on Tom Sawyer Island for the film screening, with temporary bleachers constructed on top of the rivers of America. Special tickets benefited the Boys and Girls Club of America. Guests could ride Pirates of the Caribbean until the park closed at 1 a.m. And this was 15 years ago today. Do you remember it? Did you see this movie? What'd you think of it? I loved it. Anyway, have a magical day.